Hi everyone, so today is your last day on solving quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. Today is day 3, and on day 3 you are going to do 13 through 18. I'm going to do numbers 15 and 17 for you. So number 15, you need to combine like terms and rewrite to where you have a trinomial equal 0, as always. So I'm going to move these 3 terms on the right to combine with the 3 terms on the left. The reason why I'm moving from the right to the left instead of the left to the right is because if I subtracted k squared from both sides, I would end up with a negative k squared, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to one by one move the terms. It doesn't matter what term you move first. I'm going to do them all in one step just to save room. So I know I need to add 6 to both sides. I'm going to add 6 to the like term negative 31. I'm going to add 3k squared with my like term k squared. I'm going to add 2k to both sides. So as you can see, all these terms over here are going to cancel out all in one step. K squared plus 3k squared is 4k squared. Negative 31 plus 6 is negative 24. No, negative 25. And then negative 2k plus 2k cancels. So A equals 4, B would be 0, C equals negative 25. I'm going to substitute in those 3 values into my quadratic formula. If you need a refresher, a reminder, here's the quadratic formula. Negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay? So negative b, which is 0, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. That simplifies to 0 plus the square root of 0 minus negative 4 times 4 is negative 16. Negative 16 times negative 25 is going to be 400. Oops. So negative 4 times positive 4 is negative 16. Negative 16 times negative 25 is positive 400. Divided by 8. That simplifies to positive negative square root of 400 divided by 8. The square root of 400 is 20. So that would simplify to positive negative 20 all over 8. So written as this variable is k. K equals 20 over 8. K equals negative 20 over 8. Which simplifies to 5 over, I said 5 over 4. It's 5 over 2 and negative 5 over 2. I just realized I wrote off the page and y'all weren't following me. I apologize for that. So you got to, I think this is where it kind of cut off. So you got to positive negative square root of 400 divided by 8. I'll zoom in a little bit. Square root of 400 is 20. So positive negative 20 divided by 8. So I split that up. Positive 20 divided by 8, negative 20 divided by 8. So k equals positive 5 over 2. K equals negative 5 over 2. And that is number 15. Now I'm going to do number 17. Okay, number 17. I'm going to add n squared to both sides. This is understood 1, so 8 plus 1 is 9. So A equals 9, B equals 4, C equals negative 16. When I substitute that into the quadratic formula, I get negative B plus minus the square root of B squared minus 4AC all over 2A, which is 9. When I simplify that, I get negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 16. 4 times 4 is 16. Negative 4 times positive 9 times negative 16 ends up being 576. I have that number written to the side, by the way. I did not just do that in my head that fast. Negative 4 times 9 times negative 16 is positive 576. Divided by 18. Now I can simplify that again. And I'll zoom out a little bit. Whoop, I'm already zoomed out as far as I can go. That simplifies to negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 592 divided by 18. Now, again, your answer could be left like this, and it would be n equals, or it could be n equals negative 4 plus the square root of 592 over 18, and n equals negative 4 minus the square root of 592 all over 18. Those both mean the same exact thing. So I'll zoom out again here. So that is number, let's see, 15 and 17. And that completes the lesson on solving quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula can be used to solve any trinomial, any quadratic for the variable. You can use this quadratic formula for any problem. Okay, good luck everyone. For classwork / homework is the remaining problems for this entire worksheet and the completing the square and factoring if you haven't completed that already. Bye.